Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks very much for joining me for part 2 of Gilbert O'Sullivan's song We Will. In part 1 we covered the intro and the verse section. Unfortunately I realised that my camera was going to time me out before I could show you the whole of the bridge section or the middle 8 section of the song, so I'm making a separate little lesson on it. Okay, so coming out of the verse, the second verse, when you've done the second verse, you end up exactly the same as you did with the first verse, where it goes, we will, we will. Oh, it's not easy pretending, da, 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 and it goes off into the final verse, which we've already covered. The verse is exactly the same as the rest of the song. It just does another verse and finishes on we will. Exactly, so you'll have everything you need. So let's just break down this middle bit. Coming out of verse 2, exactly the same way you finish verse 1 with we will. A with B in the bass, to B. Then we go into the bridge section. Oh, it's not easy pretending. So it's E. It's not easy. A, pretending that you. Now this is D sharp minor, 6th fret bar chord, 6th fret, minor shape. D sharp minor in this key. You could call it E flat minor if you wanted, but they call it D sharp in this particular key. And then we play a G sharp major, 4th fret bar chord, major shape. Okay, so oh, it's not easy. So A pretending that you D sharp minor cannot A sharp or G, A flat or G sharp major cannot hear. And then we go, there's a quick bit now where it goes, once you suffer the reflections within, and that's C sharp minor, once you F sharp minor, so it's a C sharp minor, an F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord with the 3rd finger playing the 4th fret of the 5th string, F sharp minor 7th, and then a B, so keeping the bar on the 2nd fret, going to the B shape with 3 fingers or a single bar, and then to the E chord. Okay, so from the beginning of this middle bit, oh, it's easy pretending that you cannot hear, that once you suffer the reflections within. Okay, then we go to a G sharp minor, 4th fret bar chord, but minor shape this time, playing the 6th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. A, up 1 fret major chord, so G sharp minor to A. Then we're playing a B chord, however you wish to play it. You could play a 7th fret bar chord, or you could play the B chord here. So whichever you want to. I mean, you can go up there if you want. Okay. And then a C sharp minor. Okay, so E. Oh, it's not easy pretending you cannot hear once you suffer the reflections within. It's no use in ending the claim from the start. Right? That and then we play this chord again. A sharp minor 7th flat 5. Remember that chord on the C sharp minor run down to E? That 1st fret, 5th string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4th string and 2nd fret, 2nd string. Just those 4 strings. 5, 4, 3, 2. A sharp minor 7th flat 5. So let's go from the beginning of this bit again. Oh, it's not easy pretending you cannot hear. Once you suffer the reflections within, it's no use in an ending to be claimed from the start, that the moral of the story is to be. And then this, finally, it's the A chord with B in the bass again, that single bar across strings 5 down to 2. Then we go into another verse, the final verse, verse 3. Yeah, and it just finishes exactly the same as a full verse with we will, we will, we will. Comes out of the chords, we will. The end of the verse, and nothing different to put on it. It just plays exactly the same apart from it finishes on an E chord. Okay, so let's just go through this. Coming out of the second verse, we will. Oh, it's not easy pretending you cannot hear, but you suffer the reflections within. In an ending proclaimed from the start, the moral of the story is to begin. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da, so on. Okay, you got it. So there you have it. Just play verse 3 and you go into the chorus and finish the song, and you've got the whole thing. Okay, well, hopefully that'll help you play that song. Not the easiest thing to do, but hope you liked it, and anybody that's a Gilbert O'Sullivan fan, hopefully that'll help you out. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.